gui select klaima hai Tripura hani bagui hastini ungui represent klaima shape mankha. Tabuk Rubaru Mr. India 2022 ni finalist jotoi khorok thamchi dok ebar 36 hai finalist tongo joto hastini. Takhuk Mithun debbarma Mr. Rubaru India 2022 Chennai o batainai buskang 5th October salmariwo. Tabuk Rubaru Mr. India 2022 batailai mungo voting go ungui tongo Facebook ni bisingtei. Aro norok joto bono vote riwoi chini hani busa takhuk Mithun debbarmano direct vote rimani bisingtei top 20 o shape klai rimano. Norok vote rina himke Facebook o haboi Rubaru Mr. India ni official page o thangai aro face of the year voting hini shijak nuknai. Aro takhuk Mithun ni photo o details rijak o haboi norok takhuk Mithun ni photo o like share and comment marinai. Like ni 1 point, comment ni 2 points. Comment o takhuk Mithun debbarma hine joto mungma shinai. Share ni 3 points. Voting ni last date 25th September. Te video ni tolao bo description o bini voting ni link riwi riwana. Norok aro habai bo direct vote riwi manai. Phaidike jengchini hani busano joto jeng Tripura hastini borobrok pal khebono support klayana. Bochini Tripura ni mungbo taibo kuchugo kariwi mangthu hinai tai shuri layana takhuk Mithun debbarma Rubaru Mr. India ni batailai mung keplayangai phaitong. Phaidike jeng tabuk bini national costume round ni video kisa nailayana.
Namaste, Klumka. I am Mithun Debbarma, finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2022, and I am representing the land of 184 kings, Tripura. This costume represents the rich indigenous culture of Tripura. The upper garment is known as Kamchali Borok, made of Irignai Chamathi, Tripura handloom textile made in Luin backstrap loom. And the lower garment is known as dhoti. The wings that I'm carrying is 100% made of bamboo, and it's designed and made by myself. The bamboo is the root of our culture and is an image of the Creator who blessed us with the highest produce of bamboo craft in India. Zoom cultivation has been the main form of cultivation of our ancestors, and it has become a major backdrop setup of our folktales, songs, and art. The ornaments made of real coin display rich art and wealth, and at the same time act as a self-protected savings bank, as there were no banks in the ancient time. The entire costume represents the amalgamation of the beautiful arts and craftsmanship of Tripura's indigenous community artisans. Thank you. Hambai.